Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to find out the sum of this. Okay, so we have to find out the sum of this part. Now, do you think this series is part of AP? No. GP? No. HP? No. AGP? No. And neither you are getting any pattern. So what we have to do, we have to apply the concept of VN series, means we will keep on finding the difference till we get either a constant number or GP. Okay. So look at this. First apply this part. So we have 2, we have 5, 10, 17, 26, so on. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to find out the difference. So we got 3, we got 5, we got 7, and at the end we got 9. Correct? I hope till this part you guys are okay. Again you did not get any pattern, so what we have to do, again we have to find out the difference. So 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2. So we got our pattern, we got constant number, so we can find out the formula for nth term. So we will be writing the first term, ignore, then we will be writing second term, then we will be writing n minus 1. How many things additional we wrote? 1, so 1 factorial, plus we have to write this 2, and then we have to write down 2 component, n minus 1, n minus 2 upon 2 factorial. Now you can simplify things, so this thing gone, so we can write down this as 2 plus 3n minus 3 plus n square minus 3n plus 2. Okay, now do a little bit more simplification. We got n square, this thing gone, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is our formula for nth term. Now what we are supposed to do, we have to find out the sum till n term. Again you know that from here onwards you have to apply the limit n square plus 1. N starts from 1 and at n. Now you know that summation can be distributed when it is in addition or subtraction. So we can create two questions. Now you know that we will end up making mistake at the constant, so we will be writing 1 power n, and then n starts from 1 to n starts from 1 to n. Now from here onwards you guys can handle. I hope you guys are enjoying. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.